Join me, let's put this dirty, messy house together from this to this. So let's start. Currently, this is my second bedroom. Very messy, really mess. Since I've moved into the house, I arranged my main bedroom, but this one is still there like this, and everything is all messed up, scattered all over. This is the mattress that I'm going to put into this bed that is sitting there when I fix it, and everything is still lying all about here. Very messy, yeah. And so these things in the box is a wardrobe I bought from IKEA. I'm going to fix into this corner. That is where those things are sitting now. So I guess I have to get myself started by taking everything out of that corner and start fixing the wardrobe. So let's get started then. Since I moved into this house, I've piled my life with uni, working, and I don't really have any time. So any little chance I get in the house, I get on to doing things. And this second bedroom, I make sure I put it together this week. I want to make sure I put everything together in the bedroom before I continue with the next coming week. That is my goal for this weekend. So that is going to take me about a few days to do this. And these things that I'm getting out of the room and packing out, this time I'm going to go to uni. So I'm just doing some of it at a time and then go and come back and continue. It is not an easy thing, especially putting up that wardrobe is a lot of work, a lot of instructions. And so maybe during the next videos I'm going to give you a full tour of the wardrobe, how I put it together, because it's a very long process. I just cut it short into this video to not make it too long or a very dragging process. So yeah, this is me putting it all together. I put the whole thing together myself, and that is it standing up there. Yeah, my partner helped me to stand it up. That is it. I wanted to put it all together myself here. So that is it all done. I'm just going to pack the things inside. I mean the messy dirty stuff that were left down there. Yeah, so when I finished, I made sure I hoovered the whole room, cleaned everything out, all the mess that is on the floor, it's all gone. The room is so clean. Before packing the things in, I'm just taking the clothes that were packed from the old house into the boxes. All of these clothes are kind of all washed and clean, so no, they are not dirty. Don't mind me. Yeah, so I'm just hanging them back in the wardrobe because they were in an old wardrobe before we moved here, a very small wardrobe. All of them were piled in that wardrobe, but this one is really big, so much space, so they are going to breathe so well in this one. And look at this mess, girl. Where did I come from, God? So yeah, I'm going to pack all these things into that wardrobe, make sure they are all out of the way. At the moment, the reason why I'm using this big wardrobe to pack all these things is that my main bedroom, there is no wardrobe yet. The built-in kind of like a cupboard that is there has no wardrobe, anything hanging yet. So I'm using this big wardrobe to pack all these things out of the way for the moment. Yeah, and so I'm going to build a different one into my bedroom sooner or later to get rid of all these things too. So stage by stage doing all this. Done with this, the next stage is going to put my bed together. So as I take all those clothes out into the wardrobe, this is how the floor is now looking. All the mess is about going, all gone. I've cleaned the place, I hoovered the place as I showed you. It's all clean, very sparkly now. I'm putting my bed together. This is another tricky one. This bed also took a lot of energy to put together because you have to take it, all has like little hinges and stuff, you have to screw in and all that. But I decided to do all this process myself. Yeah, I could have made it easy and let them help me, but I decided to do them all myself. So that is me putting the bed together and just screwing everything, make sure it's so strong and all the things are in. So almost done with that. This metal in the middle is supposed to support, to put the wood. There is some kind of wood, yeah, this one's to support and hold it very tightly. So that is why I put the metal there. It's designed for the bed anyway. So that is how it looks as I finished with it. Now I'm putting on my curtains. Yeah, the curtains are very important because you can't make up a room and set up bed, everything, people be using it without curtains. Yeah, so I just decided to put this IKEA curtain poles, the combination type, the one I use in my living room, the same type. It's so easy to fix, and when you finish it looks so good. Even though it's not that expensive, it's still very good, very good quality curtain pole. So that is it all done very quickly, and I'm putting the mattress inside. Look at that. I'm trying to get everything done. The whole I think I took 2 days to do this, because if you look at the video, I was in a different dress in another one daytime. This is a night time. Yeah, you can see outside is dark. So I finished and I'm trying my bed, girl. Why not? I've been so tired doing this process, so why not I lay on the bed, girl? So yeah, that is it, all done, looking all sparkly. I think I just like the whole color white. I know white is too much, but I just like the whole color, like cream and white at the moment going. That is all I have in the room at the moment, white and cream. As I said, going on, I'll be changing colors and things around. So just putting the bed sheets on the bed. All of this I bought from online on eBay, all of them 100% cotton products, all really good quality. I think the sheet is from Argos or so, if I'm right. Yeah. And then just putting all the bedding together, make sure everything is done. So this is another day. See, I finished the other one the other night, put the bed together, and then daytime I'm putting the sheet and things on, because I was just so tired. When you saw me laying on that bed, that was the last time I entered that room, because I was just so tired. I went to eat and slept. So yeah, I'm putting these things all together, the pillows and then the sheets, everything, just arrange the bed nicely, because I have my guests coming in, I think 2 days time or so. Yeah, so just setting my bed up, and I put my pillows there, and then my duvet, this duvet cover, I've already put the cover onto the duvet already. I should have shown that one too, how I did it, but well, I guess everybody know how to do that. So yeah, I just easily put it in. The duvet look a little bit like a bluish, that's why it is like showing like some kind of blue through the cover, but it still look good anyway. So at the moment, that is it. I've set my second bedroom up, really simple, easy, and I have to put a like sideboard here at the two sides of the bed to complete it all up. So this is so soft, very 100% cotton, very soft. I like everything on the bedding, and it's all good. And maybe later on just do some decorations, and yay, and I'm done. So that is my setup for my second bedroom. What do you think? Now that I'm done with everything, I know I am at peace, and this room is ready for my guests to use. My sister is coming this weekend, and I'm going to let her use this room. Those things folded at the bottom of the bed is bath sheets, or let's say towels. Yeah, that's what I place at the bottom of the bed for the guests to use. Okay, so this is how the wardrobe looks in this corner here. I put it in a way that you can just easily walk there and then open the wardrobe, take whatever you want, and then close it back. And then at the same time, you can use the same space to open these drawers. This drawer was the one that was sitting at the other side when I was about to do the gathering or putting the room together. This wardrobe really looked nice, very big, from IKEA. And the things on top of it is an extra pillow, and then a few things that I bought from IKEA that are still sitting there, I've not used yet to decorate. And some of these things here are from Shein. I've not like used them yet, so I just placed them there. I'm going to get rid of everything. And this sideboard sitting here is like a cream color, but I'm going to change it to like a white to match the room. So far that is how the room is. I've gathered everything into this wardrobe, and everything is out of the way. The room now look very clean and tidy up. Oh yeah. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching today's video, and I will see you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, also leave your comments down below. What do you think about my new room, and any suggestions for painting types, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.